Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Sometimes we face issues while accessing websites, and one of the best ways to fix that is by clearing the cache from Google Chrome. It's a super simple process, and I'll show you how to do it, step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now look at the top right corner and tap the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down, go to More Tools, and then tap Clear Browsing Data. You'll now see a new window with 2 tabs, Basic and Advanced. I recommend using the Basic tab. Next, choose your time range. You can pick last hour, last 7 days, or select all time to clear everything. If you don't want to delete your browsing history, just uncheck that option. Make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are selected. Once you're ready, tap on Clear Data. That's it. In my case, I just cleared out 327 MB of cache. Now, close Chrome completely, reopen it, and try accessing the website again. Let me know in the comments if this helped, or if you're still facing issues. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.